Okay, so here's what's up. Bit of a tuning issue, but nothing major. It's just not getting all the fuel it needs when he starts getting up to really high RPMs. So you just can't floor it right now until they get the proper tuning in it. It's getting late. Still on it. We got a show to set up for, so we got to set up our tent, the Christmas tree for the reaction time competition we're gonna have at this show. Okay, so this tent thing is way too big to set up in the garage. It's the ceiling. We're gonna try it outside, and then hook up the Christmas tree inside or set it up and test for it tomorrow. It's getting late, but we're troopers. Figured it out. Tough, but we got it. Just talking to our viewers. Ooh, looky, looky. Most important piece of the puzzle.
Doesn't get out the garage.
No. Shit, it doesn't. Okay, I'll put the camera down and help you.
On your wires?
Okay, like run the wires to the tube?
Yeah, because this one's going to be running wherever.
Turn the light on.
This has to be close enough to where the little buttons are.
So this is the. I don't even want to show the people on YouTube this.
Well,
this hack job. This.
Like, I work in construction and I have wood around.
Like Duck Dynasty looking shit.
So I could have called Tim and borrowed a tripod, adjustable tripod. It would have made things easier. But I'm not like that.
No, you decided to make this monstrosity. Okay, so just so you know, it is a pretty clever idea. The idea here is this is the controller screen for the Christmas tree lights. Now that screen tells you all the information we need to know about who's the winner, who got the fastest reaction time, and what else does it tell you? Reaction time and what?
Well, reaction time, a little flash on who wins. And,
okay. But does it give you anything else, like your?
No, not for tomorrow.
Okay.
Technically, yes. But
it's like a little cheater. Like here, I didn't even show that. But video camera in front is going to be hooked to a TV, and that way we can take the image off the video camera, stick it on the big TV, and everybody can see it. Ooh, look at those.
You went to throw out the install CD.
So you had to go online, find it, download it.
Yeah, download all the new
install
drivers.
it.
Yeah.
All because Brent threw out your CD.
That's right.
Brent.
Red Devil tried to make it happen.
Because
actually sent it a full package.
Figured like CDs or so yesterday that you didn't need it.
Yeah.
Like, well, just plug a USB into it then.
It'll just find itself. It'll just like successfully installed.
Well, good job, man. So now you can what, add more fuel?
Well, now we can actually get like a full log while driving. Not just like
it was the fuel, or maybe it was the timing that was off.
So, yeah.
Cool. Page up. Oh, there you go. That's pretty clever.
Alright.
Yeah, it works.
I can't get rid of those lines.
Yeah, but I mean, still, if you can't read that, you just, yeah, it's actually very clear.
Flash and green. You can still tell it's green. I think that's in red on this one.
The TV screen, you can see you're pushing the button and stuff.
So you saw I didn't know where it was.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Trying to see.
Well, now I'm going to see, like, you had that great idea, or that
If
great
it's the right
thought
side.
of if it's going to be the right side.
Sometimes, yeah. I'm pretty clever. Do you beat yourself a lot? And what?
No, I was worried about people like yanking, but if this we set up underneath, I can kind of just hide the front.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I don't think people will yank it off. And I was more worried about having to go adjust the camera 900 times because somebody moves it and then moves the ball.
Yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. So you want to leave the thing like that and just flop around the nets, like?
No, I want to make people look the opposite direction and outside. And then,
Just leave it. Yep.
leave there shaking, have to go to Douglas Hospital. It's gonna be a successful day.
I feel like I'm in a band again. Ooh, look at that light show. So I actually hope it is overcast tomorrow, because that's gonna be fabulous. Some mood lighting. Okay, so the tree works, everything works, TVs work, the yacht works. So we're just gonna get at it tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check the footage of the show. Peace.